Hello, people of the interwebs. I know I kind of missed last week, like this past week. It was Christmas and whatnot, and honestly, we didn't really do a whole lot car related. We took some time just to, hang with family and, I don't know, do holiday things and relax for once. Honestly, we had plans to work on the moped, but we've both just been so exhausted with everything that's going on right now in our jobs and whatnot. So, yeah, I failed. I don't even know how many weeks in a row I actually managed to do it. I knew it was going to happen one of these days where I missed a week. Honestly, it might happen more. I'm going to try to keep up with the channel and update you guys week by week on what's going on. But here's a big update. I was supposed to start school according to my enrollment verification on January 25th. Got an email from the career counselor that we can go pick up our supplies on the 5th. And I was like, sweet. Are we gonna get an email that tells us when our classes are gonna start? And he goes, oh, well, spring semester starts on the 6th. That's Wednesday. So I am now going to be starting school a few weeks earlier than anticipated. I was gonna try and hammer out some of the little projects here and there to get going and kind of clean up some of our mess, but honestly, let's be real, tearing apart a moped is probably gonna cause more of a mess than not. But yeah, we wanted to get a little bit more of a head start on some stuff, figure out some stuff with the Prelude, but I'm gonna just kind of have to figure out how everything's gonna go with my school schedule. I just finished my last day at my current job, now previous job. I put my 2 weeks in, they took a position helping my mom with her business, and it's closer to home, closer to school. My light turned off, I guess it's dead. So that's gonna help a little bit. I'm spending probably an hour every day off the road now, so that's exciting because people are crazy down here. Sarasota drivers in general are just horrific. There's always accidents, always traffic jams for no reason. So to take an hour off of my drive time every day is actually kind of settling. But yeah, so once I figure out how to work a full-time job with overtime and go to school, it's not full-time, but I mean, my classes are, I think, 6 to 10, 4 days a week and 2 Saturdays a month. So I've got to figure out how to get everything in check. But today I bought some Rubbermaid tubs so that I can try to organize some of this catastrophe of just Mod Podge things. Yeah, we just have stuff everywhere. So, oh, I got a cool gift from my stepdad's friend. It's a nice leveler. I'm not very level, but yeah, so here we are, guys, and let's start this thing. I found my Spark Bug Saki. There's literally just parts everywhere. There's just stuff sitting down here. Come here, little pieces. There's a little piece that's go in the bin. Little pieces go in the bin. And then the bin goes on the shelf. Yeah? some of the stuff off my welding stuff. Might need that. Maybe I'll move that forward. Back there. And this weldy stuff. Don't touchy touch. Razor blade sitting around. Cool, right? The bolty bolts. I mean, that looks better. You guys saw how much of a mess that was. Just a few baskets. Do I try and organize the cleaning supplies, or do I let them be? I think I might just let them be. Just put the extra tubby down here. If I feel the need to organize, I will organize. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, shoot, maybe I'll sneak the camera into class and see if I can record in our class, but I don't know that will fly. Who knows? Once I meet the professor, I'll get a little bit more, I don't even know what the word is, telltale on what I can pull off. So we'll see. I gotta pack my bag for welding school, get my helmet, my gloves, my jacket. I'm probably one of the few people that's gonna be in their own jackets. Hopefully not. I mean, then I'm gonna feel kind of weird. But I'm tiny. Like, if there's a bunch of men in the class, they don't have the problem I have where a men's small is too big for me. But who knows what'll happen. I'm just interested to see like where it's gonna go and how the classes run and what the structure is like and that sort of thing. There is a spider. There's a spider. Hey. Go away. That works. I'm trying to get that to like stay. But yeah, I'm interested just to see how the class is structured, how much of it's gonna be online, how much of it is gonna be textbook work. I have to go pick up all my textbooks, like I said, on the 5th. So, I don't know, gotta get my uniform shirts. That sort of thing. But I'm excited to move forward. I have a feeling 2021 is gonna be a hell of a lot better than 2020 was. Today's actually New Year's Eve, so I hope you guys all have had a safe holiday, and I hope you guys have a happy New Year's. Don't be out doing something stupid. Hopefully you guys are all safe at home watching this on Sunday. But we might do more stuff out here tomorrow. So I gotta do some little things. I actually have to use this beautiful grinder here with the cutoff wheel attachment to fix up my hermit crab tank lid. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. We have the whole day. Javier said that he wanted to do some stuff out in the garage for a little while, and then we're gonna probably go do car photos or something. So stay tuned for car photos. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. It's RD_CRV. You know, like my initials and then the car that I drive. But yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Hopefully I will see you soon. I will most likely post an update next week just to touch base on how my school was. But we'll figure it out. We'll get there sometime, someplace in the future. But here's to a new year.